Hello everyone and welcome back to the English Academy, where learning English is simple and fun. I'm Lena.
And I'm Sam. It's great to be here with you today.
How are you doing, Sam?
I'm okay. But honestly, I'm a bit hungry.
Hungry already?
Yes, I keep thinking about food. A big plate of pasta. Maybe some fries on the side and a cold drink.
You're making me hungry now too.
Sorry, but that gives us a perfect idea for today's lesson.
Exactly. Today we're going to talk about English at a restaurant, how they order food and speak politely.
This is very useful because many learners feel nervous when they have to order in English. But with a few simple phrases, it can be easy.
Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the English Academy, like this video, and share it with a friend who is learning English. It really helps our channel.
Okay, let's imagine you are going to a restaurant. You walk to the door, open it, and go inside. Who do you see first?
Usually you see a host or a server at the front. You can smile and say hello or hi.
Simple, I can do that. Hello?
Then you need to ask for a table. The most common phrase is, "A table for two, please."
And if I'm alone?
Then you say, "A table for one, please." If you're with more people, "A table for three, please." Or at a table for four, please. So the pattern is, a table for plus number plus please. Exactly. The host or server will probably say, "This way, please," or "Follow me, please," and then take you to your table.
You sit down and now I want food.
Not yet. First, you need the menu. Often the server brings it to you. If not, you can ask, "Could I have a menu, please?" Or, "Can I see the menu, please?"
Good. On the menu, you might see words like starters or appetizers, small dishes, like soup or a small salad. Main courses, the big dish, like chicken, fish, pasta, steak, drinks, water, juice, soda, tea, coffee.
Very good. You look at the menu, choose what you want, and wait for the server to come back.
In part 2, we'll learn exactly what to say to order your food and drinks politely, and how to answer when the server asks, "Are you ready to order?" Stay with us to learn the key phrases for ordering like a native speaker. Welcome back to part 2. We have our table, we have the menu, and now I'm very hungry.
Perfect time to order. The server comes to your table and will probably ask, "Are you ready to order?"
If I'm not ready, what can I say?
You can say, "Not yet, just a minute, please. Could we have a few more minutes, please?"
And if I am ready?
Then you answer, "Yes, we're ready. Yes, I'd like to order now."
Okay, now how do I say what I want? Is I want a burger? Okay.
"I want" is understandable, but in a restaurant, it's more polite to say, "I'd like, I would like, I'll have, I will have, can I have?"
So I can say, "I'd like the chicken salad, please," or "I'll have the spaghetti, please."
Exactly, and don't forget please at the end.
What about starters and drinks?
You can order step by step. To start, I'd like the tomato soup. For my main course, I'll have the grilled fish. To drink, can I have a glass of water, please?
Let's do a quick example. You be the server, I'll be the customer.
Good evening. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I am. To start, I'd like the vegetable soup. For my main course,
Wonderful. The server might then repeat your order. So that's one vegetable soup, one steak with potatoes, and one orange juice.
and I just say, "Yes, that's right. Thank you."
After a little time, the server brings your food and says something like, "Here you go. Enjoy your meal," or "Enjoy."
And I answer, "Thank you."
During the meal, the server may come back and ask, "Is everything okay? How is everything?"
If the food is good, I can say, "It's delicious, thank you. Everything is great."
In part 3, we'll learn how to ask for more water or bread, how to order dessert, and how to ask for the bill in a polite way. Don't go away, the next part will help you, yo. Finish your restaurant visit confidently. Welcome to part 3. Our main course is on the table, and we're enjoying our food. Now let's talk about what happens during and after the meal.
Sometimes while I'm eating, I need more water. Or maybe another drink. How do I ask?
First, try to make eye contact with the server. When they look at you or come closer, say, "Excuse me." "Excuse me" is to get their attention politely. "Could I have some more water, please?" "Can I have another soda, please?" "Could we have some more bread, please?"
Nice and simple.
When you finish your main course, the server may take your plates and ask, "Would you like to see the dessert menu?" Or, "Any dessert today?"
If I do want dessert, I can say, "Yes, please. Could I see the dessert menu?"
Right, then you look at the options, maybe chocolate cake, ice cream, fruit salad, cheesecake. When you're ready, you use the same pattern. "I'd like the chocolate cake, please. I'll have the vanilla ice cream."
Let's say I order, "I'd like the chocolate cake." "Please." The server brings it and says, "Here you are." I answer, "Thank you." Easy.
After dessert, you are full and happy. Now it's time to pay.
Ah, the important part. How do I ask for the bill?
Again, get the server's attention with "Excuse me," then say, "Could I have the bill, please? Can we get the check, please?"
What's the difference between bill and check?
In the UK, people usually say bill. In the US, people often say check. But both words are understood almost everywhere.
So, the bill, please, is safe to use.
The server will bring a small piece of paper with the total amount. If you're not sure about payment, you can ask, "Do you take credit cards?"
And when I give my money or card, I can say, "Here you are."
Exactly. When everything is finished and you're ready to leave, you can smile and say, "Thank you, goodbye," or "Thanks, have a nice day."
In part 4, we'll do a full role play from the moment you enter the restaurant all the way to paying and leaving using the phrases together. Stay with us to hear the complete conversation in one go. Welcome to part 4. Now we'll put everything together in one complete restaurant conversation.
I'll be the server, and Sam will be the customer. Listen carefully and try to repeat after us. "Good evening."
Good evening. A table for one, please.
"Of course. This way, please. Here is your table.
Thank you.
Here's the menu. I'll be back in a moment." Are you ready to order?
Yes, I am. To start, I'd like the tomato soup. For my main course, I'll have the grilled chicken with vegetables.
Very good. And would you like anything to drink?
Yes, I'd like a glass of water, please.
Great. So that's 1 tomato soup, 1 grilled chicken with vegetables, and 1 water. I'll be right back with your drink.
Thank you.
Here's your soup, and here is your water. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks, it looks delicious.
How is everything?
It's very good, thank you. Could I have some more water, please?
Of course. Would you like to see the dessert menu?
Yes, please.
Have you decided?
I'd like the chocolate cake, please.
Excellent choice.
Excuse me, could I have the bill, please?
Certainly. Here you are.
Thank you. Here you are.
Thank you. I'll be right back. Here is your card and your receipt.
Thanks for everything. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Have a great evening. And that's the whole visit, from hello to paying and leaving.
Notice the key phrases. A table for 2, please. Could I see the menu, please? I'll have. Enjoy your meal. It's delicious. Could I have some more water, please? Could I have the bill, please?
You can practice this at home with a friend or family member. One person is the server, one is the customer.
Don't worry about small mistakes. People are usually happy that you're trying to speak their language.
If this lesson helped you, please subscribe to the English Academy. Like this video and share it with someone who is learning English.
And in the comments, tell us, what is your favorite? Food to order at a restaurant in English? We can't wait to read your answers.
Thanks for watching, keep practicing, and keep smiling. See you next time.